BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Oh no! No! The vending machine is broken! What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Huh? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no, it's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery.
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! Oh, I got a battery.
I almost got caught. Oh no! Rudolph? Please don't come here. Don't come here.
There's a vending machine. I want to buy soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm gonna find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple. Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Meow Meow, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Mew Mew's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Milk! I got it! please work this time?
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Mew Mew, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.
Hey! Ha! Oh, that hurts! Hey, where am I? Oh! Ow! 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 Hot! 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 Help! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Help! Help! Someone help me! Help! Help!
Huh? What's going on?
Help! I'm melting!
It's chocolate. He's in trouble. Let's help him.
We have to put the flames out.
The flames? Look! We can use water to put the flames out. Watch me! It didn't move at all. What should we do? We're not strong enough.
I've got an idea. Come with me. Help me! I'm melting! Help!
Hold on. We're coming to help you. Oh no! The water is coming out!
Let me help you.
Great job! Oh no! You're coming! It's fixed! Let's save chocolate!
Okay.
Help! 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 Huh? Huh? Yeah! I'm saved! I'm saved! Whew! I almost turned into chocolate sauce. Thank you! Who are you?
We're Candies!
Where are your colors?
Huh? What happened?
Everybody, run away!
Red!
I'm yellow.
So Kiki tried to put colorful clothes on us.
Thank you, Kiki!
They're gonna pick me first because I'm the best. No, they won't. They will pick me first.
You two are both wrong. I'm sure they will pick me first.
Huh? Someone's coming.
Which one should I pick?
Here I am, the yummy hamburger. Look at my patty, it looks so good. I've been waiting for you, pick me please. Yummy hamburger is ready to go.
Wow, the hamburger looks good! I want to have the hamburger. Look at the patty, it looks so good. Insert the coin and push the button. Yummy hamburger, please come out.
Here I am, the yummy French fries. I'm so crispy and I smell great. I've been waiting for you, pick me please. Yummy French fries are ready to go.
French fries! I love them! I want to have the yummy French fries. They look so crispy and they smell great. Insert the coin and push the button. Yummy French fries, please come out.
Here I am, the yummy orange juice. I'm so fresh and I'm so sweet. I've been waiting for you, pick me please. Yummy orange juice is ready to go.
I'll have the orange juice too. I want to have the yummy juice. It looks so fresh and it looks so sweet. Insert the coin and push the button. Yummy orange juice, please come out. Look, I have lots of yummy food.
Folks, we've had a lot of tremors recently, so we need to be prepared for impending earthquakes. Our volunteers are giving out emergency kits to all of you today.
Hi, Whiskers! Here you are.
Thank you. Hey, wait a moment. I need one for my caterpillar friend too.
Caterpillar? Then take this one.
Thanks.
Emergency! We've got to go now. Bye!
Bye. Hey, caterpillar! I brought you an emergency kit. Caterpillar, why did you roll yourself up like that?
Hey! Hey! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Rattlesnake, reptile. He's one of the earthquake rescue team members. His job is to find missing animals. This morning, he had an accident while handing out emergency kits. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
okay. It was just an accident. But I still have some emergency kits to hand out. I need to hurry.
It's all right. Super Rescue Team will be here soon. See? They're here. Huh. Mr. Rattlesnake, how do you feel now?
I feel a little dizzy, and I can't see clearly.
Huh? Don't worry, we'll help you.
Let me take a closer look. Start analyzing. Here's the result. The pit organ seems to be injured.
Pit organ?
Mr. Rattlesnake is very short-sighted. He has small holes between his eyes and nostrils, which are called pit organs. They help him detect animals nearby, since they are very sensitive to heat.
Ah, I see. I'll fix you now.
Thank you.
Start shrinking. Where is it? Huh? I found the injury! Light waves! Mew Mew, I'm done!
I can see clearly now.
Huh? Why is the house shaking? Oh no! It's an earthquake! 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 What do we do? Don't panic! Protect your head! Let's go to a safer place! This way! Hurry!
Everybody be careful! It's dangerous there! Hide under the table! There's not enough space under the table!
Mew Mew! We can go hide in the bathroom! Hurry! Go to the corner! It stopped! Come with me!
Alright, let's go!
Let's get out of here! During an earthquake, don't get in the elevator! Use the stairs!
Oh, there's an aftershock!
The open area there is an emergency shelter! Hurry! Now we're safe!
Kiki, look! Let's go and see if anyone's hurt.
How is it? Have you found anything?
There's no one here.
Kiki, come over here! Here, I think I heard a whistle.
Mr. Rattlesnake is our life detector. He can help us.
I got this. Ah, over there.
Caterpillar, wake up! Look at
Whiskers is in there. We've got to help him out.
It's urgent! I'll call headquarters for help! Kaka! Whiskers is trapped inside a building! We need help!
Copy that. Hank, Momo, Kiki needs your help. Please move out now.
Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Be aftershocks! We need to get Whiskers out quickly!
No problem, I'm on it! Activate!
Super Repeller fly!
And now's our turn!
Yep!
To save me!
Oh no! It's the aftershock!
Look, isn't that Kiki?
We're fine! Huh?
Super Rescue Team, you've saved everyone. Thank you for being so brave.
What's the matter, Whiskers?
Caterpillar. I can't find my friend Caterpillar.
Don't cry. Look.
Oh, Caterpillar. Thanks, Kiki. Whoa, he's waking up. Oh. Wow, he turned into a butterfly.
Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe!
Sir, is someone famous coming here?
Famous? He is a thief. He's been robbing around here.
Oh, he's a bad guy. I'll help you catch him if I see him.
Hey, kid, if you see a bad guy, call the police.
Uh-huh. Huh? Whose car is that? Oh. He's wearing a mask. Oh no, the thief is robbing Rudolph's house.
Hey, kid, if you see a bad guy, call the police. Uh-huh.
I found the thief at Rudolph's house.
What? I'll be there in 5 minutes.
I can't let him go before the police is here. Aha, I have an idea. Chewing gum. I'll stick you here so you can't run away. He's out. Step on it, step on it. Oh, no, he walked by it. Yeah, got you. Now you can't run away. Oh no, why? That's impossible. Let me try. I'm stuck. Oh, that hurts. It didn't work. I need to find another way. I have an idea. Cooking oil. Slip on the ground.
What's this? Why is there oil on the ground? This is fun! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo!
What should I do? What should I do? He's going to steal everything from Rudolph's house. Aha! Black pepper. If he smells it, he can't stop sneezing and crying. Then he won't steal things.
It's so annoying to catch a cold. What's that smell? Is it pepper? Whatever, my nose is all cleaned. Nice. There's only one table left.
Oh no, why isn't the police coming? Sir, you need to hurry. The thief will run away in any minute now.
I'll be right there.
I will lock him in the house. Please come here ASAP.
Got it. Be careful.
I won't let you leave the house. Aha! Locked. You can't run away now. Oh no!
What's wrong with the door? It worked just fine before. It's all done. Police officer!
Don't worry. I'll handle the thief.
Thief?
You're not going anywhere. Wait, why are you here? Are you a thief?
Sir, there must be a mistake. I'm not the thief. He is. Oh, Hank, is that you?
Of course it's me. What's going on?
Hank!
Sir!
What happened, police officer? I got a call that a thief is robbing your house.
Not me, not me. It's Hank.
A thief? Oh, I was moving out. I asked Hank for help because he's strong.
Ah, I see. I thought a thief was robbing your house.
A what? You think I'm a thief? Was it all you who put the gum, the oil, and the pepper on the ground?
Sorry.
Well, to be honest, you helped me to carry things. I should thank you for that.
Does that mean I also helped?